Hi, I'm Anna. I'm glad to see you here. In this video, we will practice 3 ways to add numbers in Excel and how to avoid a common problem. Excel offers several ways to add numbers and each suited for different situations. Here we have a simple table where we need to calculate total number per each item and per each month. The simplest way to add numbers is by using a basic formula. Select cell, type an equal sign, and then select cell, plus sign, select cell, plus sign, and select cell. Press enter. So it's calculated. In order not to repeat this formula manually in every line, what we can do? So here you see a little square. Left click on your button and drag it down. So here we have this formula calculated for next line. Or again, this little square, double click on left button of mouse and it drags down automatically. That's really useful. Okay, let's clear this one. The second way to add numbers is by using the sum function. The sum function is more efficient for adding multiple numbers and ranges. Let's try it here. I'll calculate it here. Again, select cell equals key sum and then cell, comma, cell, comma, cell, close, press enter. So we calculated it here. In order not to choose every cell every time, you can do it like this again. Equals sum and just highlight the whole range of numbers or cells that you need to sum. So we have it from C4 to E4. Close, press enter. Okay, so now we get our number 13 here again. A quick way to sum cells is using AutoSum. Again, select the cell, go to the Home tab, AutoSum, choose and enter. So we have everything calculated just in a second without needed keying the actual formula. The keyboard shortcut for AutoSum is Alt-Enter. How we do it? First of all, select the range of cells where the total number should be calculated and then press Alt equals and the whole table is calculated just in a second. However, you should be aware of situations when AutoSum might add numbers incorrectly. This happens because AutoSum makes its best guess about what range or what the range should be. Let's look at this table of my expenses for 2024. It is just numbers. So let's use here AutoSum again. Choose cell, the Home tab, AutoSum, press. So it calculated as 5,000, but we see it's actually 3,000. It happens because if you look right now, so AutoSum picked 2024 also to add to my $3,000. So that is a wrong way. The first option, how we can correct it, again, we just use AutoSum and before pressing enter, just let's correct the range of cells that should be calculated. Press enter. So here we have 3,000, so that is better. And let's ignore this error. It's not a big deal right now. But the best option probably would be just prevent the situation where the year could be calculated. Let's look at this cell where we'll put the year number. Right now it is general number. Let's change format to text and then key here 2024. So it shows error. Let's ignore it, it's not important right now. And then use AutoSum. As you see right now, AutoSum guessed the range correctly. Press enter. It happens because the year right now we show like text, and we understand that we can't add text, we can't multiply text, we can't do anything with text. So this is why it's probably the better way to prevent the error in general. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. Thanks for watching.